Well, I think the important thing is that businesses can recognize opportunities when they arise. Opportunities have a limited time frame. We need to seek them out. Opportunity does come knocking sometimes, but we have to be prepared to open the door when the opportunity does come knocking.
But Slovenia doesn't want to push themselves further. It is a hard work to go further, and I don't think Slovenia puts enough effort to promote themselves. As I said before, we always think how little we are, that nobody will ever notice us. Of course they will not, because we're not pushing ourselves.
I have known and I've been using a couple of products from well-known Slovenian brands. And just to mention Krka or Elan Ski or Alpina shoes. For me, these are products which are excellent and they stand for quality. So made in Slovenia for me and for many of people who I know as a consumer, actually that's a good connotation with quality.
And also it is very important that when our potential buyers or the buyers coming to Slovenia, they still see a lot of happy people, a nice clean country, good restaurants, and this is also important part of selling the brand made in Slovenia. And for me it is extremely important because somebody in UK, United States, Poland, or not knowing the company, this is the first impression he's getting, and I believe here in this segment we're still making a good picture.
The key factor that I see is the enthusiasm of the Slovenian people. I think that is a core element in any success story. If Slovenians believe in Slovenia and are motivated and care and want to develop quality products and services and worry about the Slovenian brand made in Slovenia, to be able to be proud of that, then I think that is a very, very sound starting point for excellence in Slovenia.
So the philosophy has to change, that Slovenia has to do more for itself to become known beyond its borders.
I believe that the Slovenian companies have this opportunity and they do a lot already to, let's say, be more known and export products to even more markets. Slovenia as a country, I think that they should put more efforts and more resources behind it and be innovative, because you have the brands, you have the products. Now it's about how you sell it. So now it's about being innovative, how to sell these qualities which you already have.
When we have a mission, when we really align for one mission, then we are unbeatable. And we have to align with the mission. Let's improve, let's change Slovenia. And that's why we have to sit together, to speak about the values we would like to represent, and we have to start to work together as a team, because we're only 2 million, and then we would be the best country in the world.
I'm always an optimist, and there is no if in my language.